the recently asked questions in IELTS writing task 2. I'm going to provide you a simple structure and simple idea. And one thing I want from you is that you must write this answer in your own words after watching this video full. So the question was interviews form the basic selecting criteria for most large companies. However, some people think that interview is not a reliable method to choosing whom to employ. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This is an agree disagree type of question. तो सबसे पहले आपको बता दूं इसका मतलब क्या इन simple language. So the basically they are asking is most big companies use interviews to pick their workers. मतलब employees को hire करने के लिए they use interviews, and some people say this is a bad way to judge someone's true ability. आप इस पे agree करते हैं या disagree करते हो? So the first part is introduction part, hook, the main line, or you can say general line. Mention that interviews are the gold standard for hiring. You can mention कि interviews are very premium thing. मतलब almost every big companies do interviews. Then you have to paraphrase, state that while interviews are standard, their reliability is often questioned. उनकी reliability को हम question भी कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो एक standard है. And thesis statement, you have to clearly state your opinion. For instance, you can say, while interviews help assess personality, I believe they are not fully reliable on their own because they can be biased and stressful. Obviously, interviews जैसे पहले होता था कि reference मिल गई किसी को तो उनको ज़्यादा preference दे देते हैं. So interviews can be biased. So this is our intro part. The next is body paragraph 1. In this, you have to mention why interviews are useful. So मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. So if you disagree, you have to strain some good positive points of interviews. First of all, soft skills, मतलब communication skills. You can see if a person is confident, polite, and speaks well. Second क्या advantage होता है? Cultural fit. You can tell if the person will get along with the current team. मतलब obviously team management is very important when getting a job. तो वो भी पता चल जाता है interview से. And lastly, verification. You can ask them to explain specific details on their resume to save their line. क्योंकि हम resume में बहुत चीज़ें बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोल सकते हैं, but in reality we can double check it and we can verify. और ये तो हो चुके हैं advantages of interviews. Next, why they're unreliable. So you can say nervousness. A great worker might be shy person who gets too nervous. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं बट वो नर्वस हो जाते हैं तो वो इंटरव्यू उनकी अच्छी नहीं जा सकती. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दे आर नॉट अ गुड person for the particular job. Second, पहले बता चुका हूँ इंट्रो में biasness. Interviewers might pick someone just because they have same hobbies or look the part rather than based on skill. मतलब कोई भी मतलब रीजन हो सकता है, जैसे हॉबी सेम होगी या रेफरेंस का भी आप यूज कर सकते हो कि पीछे से किसी की रेफरेंस आई हुई है. सो वो बायसनेस आ जाती है. एंड थर्ड, इट इज एन आर्टिफिशियल एनवायरमेंट. Answering the questions in a room is very different from actually doing the job. Doing the job and answering is very different. Someone might be a good talker but a bad worker. कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा बोल लेते हैं पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छा काम भी करेंगे. So in conclusion part, what you have to do, you have to restate the opinion that interviews can be biased and stressful and put but provide social clues. मतलब social मतलब थोड़ा आइडिया देते हैं इंसान के बारे में. And finally, you can suggest a combination of interviews and practical tests should be the best way to hire. So ये हैं points. अब इन सबको आप अपने mind में रख के आप एक खुद से आंसर लिखें so that you know how to write a proper answer which has been recently asked. And if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.